Simon Milne has 3 crowd-stopping cars. His weekday runaround is a 1969 Ferrari Dino. At weekends, he has to make do with a 1972 Maserati Bora. Both run on 4-star leaded petrol. Simon's lent us his 3rd car to show us the dilemma he faces when leaded petrol disappears from the forecourts on the 1st of January. Days of the week don't matter with this car. It's a DeLorean. Step on it, Doc. We're going back to the future. The red nozzle, the name, even the price might lead you to believe that this is old-fashioned leaded petrol, but it isn't. This is lead replacement petrol. Why do older cars need lead? Let me explain. Without getting too technical, the lead in petrol acts as a lubricant and a coolant for the engine's valves. Without it, they can get too hot and corrode. Lead replacement petrol uses chemicals like potassium to do the same job. What have you done? Motorists won't notice the difference, say the oil companies.
LRP is a straight replacement for 4-star petrol.
It offers the same level of engine protection.
It won't make any difference to the running of your car.
Just pull in and fill up.
Racing legend Sterling Moss has been driving leaded cars since they were introduced after the war. He's happy to change with the times, but he's among drivers unconvinced by the oil company's latest claims.
I don't think that lead replacement petrol is being advertised correctly, because I think it's a bit misleading. I think a person will think, if I put this in, I've got exactly the same thing as I had before, and jolly good. And I don't think it does that.
Absolutely right, says the Retail Motor Industry Federation, which represents car dealers. An expert there told us the substitutes are just not as effective as lead. They don't protect to the same extent when the engine is running hot. For example, during motorway driving. Here's what happened to a turbocharged car in Sweden, where they've been using LRP for 7 years. The same part, one from an engine run on leaded 4-star, the other corroded by lead replacement petrol. Simple then. If you don't like the sound of lead replacement petrol, then don't buy it. No, because you may have bought it already without knowing. This pump at a Shell station still has the old 4-star logo beside the nozzle. BS 4040 was its British standard. Lead replacement petrol doesn't have one. Only up above does it say lead replacement petrol now being sold here. At this pump or another pump. It's not made clear. Mixed messages on other forecourts. This is ELF. Leaded logo on the pump, LRP on the nozzle. At Jet and Fina, the same confusion. Customers report problems at BP and Esso stations as well.
I've heard there are actually petrol stations selling lead replacement petrol, and people don't know they've even put it in their car. I mean, we've got to know what's going into the car. And I think the government should help us by bringing out a definition of exactly what is in the pump, what are we buying.